Happy Freedom Friday, everyone. Welcome here. It's so great to have you here today. But before we start, I want to ask you something powerful. If you could earn an extra 5,000 Rand a month, what would it change for your family? Would it help with groceries, school fees, medical bills, paying off debt, saving for a holiday? Now type your answer in the comments. I would really love to hear from you. And if you're watching live, say hi and tell me where you are. Welcome to my regulars, Belinda, Cheryl, Bella and Peter, all those. If you're watching the replay, drop a replay so that I can greet you later. Now, our topic for the day that we discuss is fear is expensive. Freedom is a decision. Not doing anything is also a decision. And how South Africans can start earning online today. Now, for those who don't know me yet, I'm Lynette Badenhorst from Van der Bijlpark, South Africa. For more than 10 years, I've been helping everyday South Africans explore ways to build recurring income online using a hybrid financial services platform through Dewpoint. This is not a get-rich-quick idea, not a guarantee of income, and not financial advice. It's simply a structured opportunity where people can learn skills, work consistently, and earn lead fees based on real business activity. Every person's results depend on their own effort, time, and commitment. But let's talk about fear. Fear is expensive. Very expensive. Fear keeps people stuck in a job they hate. Fear keeps people living paycheck to paycheck. Fear stops people from trying something new. Many people say, I'm not tax savvy. I don't have money. I don't have time. I don't know anyone. Really? They often look only at the monthly product payment and miss the bigger picture. That staying active in Dewpoint can create an opportunity to build income over time. It was for me like that. But I understand that fear because I started with no money, no time, and very little knowledge too. But I was determined to change my financial situation. So I started learning and taking small, consistent steps. 10 years later, I'm still here, building my income through the Dewpoint system, and I'm sharing my experience with others. Of course, everyone's results are different, and income depends on each person's effort and consistency. But here's the truth. Nobody starts confident. Can you remember how it felt the first day when you started at your job? And later, it becomes your second nature, and you don't even think about how you are going to do your things at your job. Not so? Nobody starts knowing everything. Freedom is not something you wait for. Freedom is a decision you make. I want to repeat that. Freedom is a decision you make. Think back to the last time fear stopped you from doing something that could have helped your family. Fear cost us opportunities we never try, skills we never learn, income we never earn, confidence we never built. Because practice makes perfect. And Tanya Eliza always says, done is better than perfect. Start doing it. Even if it takes you longer, it doesn't matter. It matters that you start. But how often do we hear someone says, one day I'll play the piano, write a book, or chase my dreams. And that day, sadly, never comes. If someone says to me, I'm going to, it simply means that they haven't done it. I really don't like the word going to because it really means you haven't done it yet. So don't tell me you're going to do something, just do it. In South Africa, many people stay stuck because they believe, I'm too old. I don't understand technology. I don't have the money to start. Online businesses are scams. And these fears are understandable. But fear without facts keep people stuck. Now there are scams. Online, there's a lot of them. So it's wise to research them carefully. But don't believe me or Brennan or Rob, the CEOs of Dewpoint. They are explaining the system every single week on Tuesdays. Go and check out the Dewpoint on the FSCA's website and check if you can see their names as the members of the DSA. Nowadays, it is very easy to check things online. You can check out everything. You can even Google my name. Just spell it correct. I spell it for you. Linnetee. Badenhorst, Badenhorst. And see what I've been posting on Facebook since 2017. There is no excuse for people who are conned into scams, as the FSCA advises us to check out any company first before you pay or do anything. But not every online business is a scam. I want to repeat that. Not every online business is a scam. There are legitimate platforms like Dewpoint that have been operating for 10 plus years and follow regulations. Fear should lead to learning, not paralysis. What fear has stopped you from trying something? Please write it down in the comments. What fear has stopped you from trying something new? Because we live in a beautiful country, but we also face real economic challenges. Many families are under pressure. Jobs are not secure. Those who think that must rethink it, because my husband lost his job after 32 years within 21 days. It happens all the time. What are you going to do if you don't have a job? Your job is not secure. Prices keep rising. That's why learning digital income skills matters. Not to replace your job overnight, not to take risks you can't afford, but to add another income stream slowly and responsibly. Even 2,000 or 5,000 rand extra income per month can change a household. Now, when I talk about earning online, I'm not talking about magic. I'm talking about learning simple marketing skills, sharing information honestly, building relationships, helping people make informed choices. Through platforms like Dewpoint, people can earn recurring lead fees when customers choose financial products that suit them. And I love it that the products are designed that people need them, want them, and will use them for the rest of their lives. Like funeral cover. You can take out funeral cover from company A, B, or C. You pay for it every month. And you pay for it out of your own free will. Because you know, if you don't pay, you're not covered. And you will pay for it until D-Day. And then the cover takes care of your funeral. But in Dewpoint, one of their products are also a funeral cover. Now this one, you also pay it every month. You pay it out of your free will because you know if you don't pay, you're not covered and you don't earn an income and you don't get the free daily services. and you will pay for it for the rest of your life. But while you are alive, you can create an unlimited income that you can pass on to your spouse or your children. The one is making you money, the other one is costing you money. You make that choice. But the important thing to remember is you don't need to sell products with Dewpoint. You don't need to carry stock or anything. And you don't need a huge following. But you do need consistency, patience, and honesty. And always make sure you understand the income system before joining any business. I'll keep on explaining this until it clicks, because I know the only reason people hesitate is that they don't fully understand how this amazing system works. Join our daily wealth mastery sessions and I'll break it down in simple, easy to follow terms. Just send me a WhatsApp with the words wealth mastery to 082 783 5661 and I'll make sure you get the link. But back in 2016, when I attended the launch of Dewpoint, I did not understand a lot of things, but I could surely understand that we are building our own channels, our own businesses, by using their registered system and then get paid with the traditional marketing costs linked to all the products that you can get through the Dewpoint Wealth Creation System. In other words, pick a product and start making money. Instead of paying DSTV, for example, to advertise their products, they are now paying the Dewpoint Wealth Engineers for creating leads for them. I think it's brilliant, innovative, and it has proved for 10 plus years that it is working. Now, what do we mean by earning online? When we talk about earning online through Dewpoint, we are not selling financial products. I love it. I don't like selling. And we are not giving financial advice. Instead, we earn lead fees. That means we introduce people who are interested in earning an extra income to Dewpoint. Then they pick a product, and the product providers include companies like Santam, Sanlam, Bright Old Mutual, the whole caboodle, the major service providers. These are large established companies with licenses to do what they are doing. And we simply connect interested people to the learning how to earn an additional income through the Dewpoint Wealth Creation System. There's no selling involved. There's no recruiting involved. I simply send them the information and then they make the informed decision. Dewpoint is a marketing platform that works with these major registered financial service providers. And I want to repeat it, that we do not sell financial products, nor do we give financial advice. Our role is simply to introduce people to the Dewpoint system, where they can then learn how to generate leads from these authorized financial service providers. If those leads meet the platform requirements, a lead fee may be earned according to the Dewpoint rules. Income is not guaranteed and depends on each person's effort, time, and consistency. But think of it like this. If someone wants to explore earning an extra income online, we show them how the Dewpoint system works. And most of South Africans are looking for an extra income. The sky is absolutely the limit, but you need to be there to participate in it. If they choose to join and participate, they learn how to connect interested customers to Dewpoint too. That's what we do. Imagine your friends wants to make money. Instead of guessing, you connect them to a legal platform and they do the introduction, and if that is valid, you will earn a lead fee for that effort. But why is this helping South Africans? This model allows ordinary people to learn digital marketing skills, to work in the financial services industry without having to write exams or to comply with all the strict rules that's governing the financial services industry. It also allows them to earn part-time income responsibility or even full-time. It helps friends to connect with trusted financial services. But again, it takes time, consistency, and learning. There are no shortcuts. Now, if you knew you could earn honestly by connecting people to a legal system, would you like to know how it works? Type it in the comments. Please let me see what's happening there. Say yes or no. If you knew you could honestly earn by connecting people to a legal system, would you like to learn how it works? And that's the question. But why does this model exist? Big financial companies need new customers constantly. That's what they do. They are looking for customers. Instead of cold calling, they partner with marketing platforms like DuPont to help them reach people who they would never reach. You know, word of mouth is the most powerful form of advertising there is. You will rather believe a trusted friend than a multi-million-dollar advertising campaign. And this is what we do. We don't sell, we tell our friends. So we help people to learn about their options, to connect them to the DuPont wealth creation system, and to get the proper information. The rest, the decision, decides with them. I do not force anybody to join, but I simply give them the information. If you're ready, you will join. And if someone becomes a qualified lead, a lead fee may be paid according to the company rules. Now, what is a lead fee? A lead fee is a marketing fee for introducing a potential customer. In DuPont's case, it's a 55 Rand. Now people think, oh, 55 Rand is such a small thing. But add it, multiply 4,000 by 55 and you get a nice number, not so? That is the power of adding to your last, where you stop this month is your beginning for the next month, and it grows and grows and grows. This is not commission on financial products. We don't sell policies. We don't give financial advice. We don't recommend specific products. You can choose any product. You can go up and down between the products. It doesn't matter. Pick one you like. If you don't like it, pick another one, as long as you pay for your product. Now, these are all licensed advisors from the financial providers that handle all the queries and things that you need about the products. Your only task is to refer them to the system. This keeps everything compliant and professional. Now, if you want to start earning online, here are a few first simple steps. I normally say register, choose a product, and start earning an income. But the first thing is you need to learn before you earn. You need to understand the system and the compliance rules. It's important to go through it. Simply attend an online introduction presentation where the CEO explains everything. And bring your prospects along. It's online. You can do it from anywhere in the country. And then you earn a lead fee if they decide they also want to make money. You are never allowed to sell any products or give any advice. You simply connect them to the system, and the system takes care of all the legalities. Secondly, start part-time. Keep your job while building experience. You know, we never say quit your job, but there's lots of people who do quit their job once they're earning a bigger salary than their jobs. But most people start part-time, and then later you can decide if you still want to keep your job. That's a nice position to be in, I think. Number 3 is budget responsibly. Please remember to keep your monthly product payment up to date, as this is required to remain active in the DuPont system. I paid my product once. It's now 120 months later. And the money I receive every month from DealPoint in my own bank account is way more than my product payment. So I chose a tax-free investment. My entire tax-free investment cost me 279 Rand. I dare anyone to give me a better return on that kind of money. Now, staying active in DealPoint allows you to participate and qualify for earnings according to the company rules. If your payment is not made for a month, you will not qualify for income for that period. So it takes money to make money. And people think, oh, but I don't have the money for the product payment. But they don't see the bigger picture. Now, use technology, and it's simple. There's WhatsApp, there's Facebook, there's Zoom. These are basic tools, and most of them are free. We are using free versions to build your business. It's there. Technology is there for us to use. So, use it. There's ChatGTP. If you don't know how to use it, ask. I call ChatGTP Chatty. Ask Chatty how to do it. And he will tell you step by step by step. Even I can manage to do things that I never thought was possible before. Number 5, stay consistent. Small daily actions create long-term results. That's important. Small daily actions create long-term results. Don't expect to start today and tomorrow you'll be earning millions. It never works. But consistency, that is the name of the game. If you'd like help getting started, I created a free beginner's guide called No Time, No Money, No Problem. You can download it here on https://LynetteBarnos.com/no time. Remember, my name is LINNETTEBARNHORST.com/no time, no dash time. Or comment no time, yeah, and I'll send it to you. This guide shares general tips and ideas, not financial advice, just practical steps you can explore. Now let me be honest. Building income takes time. Everyone's journey is different. Some people grow faster, while others take more time. I've been fortunate to build a steady growing income over 120 consecutive months with DealPoint by staying consistent and learning along the way. And I'm not the sharpest pen in the box. I'm learning. But I'm willing to learn, and I will be doing that more because I see the results. But income is never guaranteed, and results depends on each person's effort and commitment. With patience, training, and honest work, additional income streams can be developed over time. And the time is not that bad. I was paid within my first month 10 times my product payment. That's a nice thing. Today you'll earn more because there's a lot of bonuses added to it. Now, as wealth engineers working through DealPoint, we are not financial advisors or representatives. We are independent contractors. We are never working for any of the companies or DealPoint. We are building our own businesses, and I love it. It belongs to me and my family. When I pass on, I can pass it on to my spouse or my children, and I also like that. Our role is simply to share general information about the DealPoint wealth creation system and how people can learn to generate leads. All financial products, advice, compliance requirement, and technical processes are handled by DealPoint. That is their part of the deal. My part is just to bring them the lead. The rest is up to them. Our job is simply to share accurate information, answer basic questions about the system, and connect interested people so they can make informed decisions. and you have the full support of their call center to help you address your prospect's concern. And you don't pay for that. Just your product payment includes everything. Your business tools, everything. Just pay your product. So just give them a call if you've got any queries. Now tell me in the comments, what is your biggest fear about earning online? And what would you like to learn more about? Your question might help someone else watching today. And please like, follow and share this live so that more South Africans can learn about a safe way to create extra income. Please note that we don't promise income. Results can vary based on effort and consistency. But if you do this, the marketing plan is set. If you do this, you get that. And it's there for everybody. There's no winners. If you do the work, you get the reward. Always read the terms and conditions carefully. It's important to me. Only authorized advisors provide financial advice. We only connect people to the relevant information. And people must decide for themselves if this opportunity suits them. Thank you so much for joining me this Freedom Friday. Recurring income is not about becoming rich overnight. It's about stability, step by step. You're building that. You are building your own stability in your own life. I did it. You start where you are and you stay consistent and you keep on learning. Freedom is a decision you make every day. If you want more tips, you can also visit my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery, and my blog at lynettebaardnors.com/blogs. My website is also lynettebaardnors.com. You can download my free guide on go.lynettebaardnors.com/no-time. Until next week, stay motivated, stay consistent, and remember, build patiently, earn responsibly, live freely. Bye for now.